Have you ever wondered what the golden rule of trading is? What's the one principle that, if followed, could save you from countless sleepless nights and heartaches? Well, sit back and listen closely because we're about to delve into it. It's a rule as old as trading itself, yet still as relevant in 2023 as it was centuries ago. It's not about technical analysis or market trends, but it's something far more fundamental. It's about understanding your financial situation and making sure you're not putting yourself at unnecessary risk. This rule is: never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Sounds simple, right? But why is it so important? Well, here's the thing. Trading, by its very nature, involves risk. No matter how skilled or experienced you are, there's always a chance that things might not go your way. That's just part of the game. Now imagine if the money you're trading with is what you rely on to pay your bills or your kids' tuition or your retirement savings. Suddenly, that risk isn't just part of the game anymore. It becomes a threat to your livelihood and well-being. That's where this golden rule comes in. By only trading with money you can afford to lose, you're ensuring that even if a trade doesn't go your way, it won't put you in a financial crisis. It's not about being pessimistic, but about being realistic and prepared for any outcome. Think of it as a safety net. It won't prevent you from falling, but it will ensure that if you do fall, you won't hit the ground hard. It's about making sure that even in the worst-case scenario, you can still pick yourself up and carry on. This rule is not about limiting your potential for profits. On the contrary, it's about protecting you from potential losses. It's about ensuring that even when the market is volatile and uncertain, you can still trade confidently and without fear. Because you know that no matter what happens, you won't be risking your financial security. So, to sum it up, the golden rule of trading, never trade with money you can't afford to lose, is all about risk management. It's about understanding that while trading can be rewarding, it also comes with its fair share of risks. By following this rule, you're not just protecting your finances, but also your peace of mind, because at the end of the day, isn't that what's truly valuable?